Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's tutorial video gonna help you a lot if you want to turn on promoter listing on Evil. So if you are a seller on eBay, if you want to put your item on promoter listing, how can you do? So I will show you step by step. Enter your Evil on your website first. Okay, so and then what you need to do is you're gonna see look like go to your My Evil on the top of your screen and then scroll down until you see selling here. Okay, so in selling section, you can see all related setting with seller. So go to your listing. Okay, so after successfully going to your listing, try to open your list on active. For me, I haven't do any list on um evil on evil, so I will show you step by step how to do by demonstration. Okay, so what you need to do is go to seller herb and then try to go listing here. After successfully go to your listing, you can see your listing. So if you want to put this one to your promoter list, just click edit and you can see promoter listing from your listing section. So just turn on your promoter listing, increase your item visibilities on evil, and you need to put your advertisement rate. So if you want to put 2% or 5% or 4% or whatever percent you can choose, and if you're sure you want to change your listing on promoter listing, just click save and continue. So promoter listing can help to increase your item visibility in search results and attract more buyers. So it's such a kind of digital marketing method. So um if you want to get more customers, or if you want to show off your product to the customer with better quality, you can do that method. So this is how to turn on promotion listings on Evil. It's quite easy. Just go to Seller Hub and try to find a product that you want to put promoted in. Just put your advertisement rate and save and continue. This is how to turn on promoted listing on Evil. Okay, I hope this video gonna help you a lot, guys. Thank you so much. See you, bet.